friends, this is Gagan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Salesforce Event Relay. So if you want to send a platform event or real-time monitoring event to the AWS EventBridge, then you can use Salesforce Event Relay. And in Salesforce Event Relay is like kind of configuration. You don't have to write down a piece of code if you want to send the real-time platform event or real-time monitoring event. I will tell you what is a real-time monitoring events to the AWS event bridge. Then you can use the event relay. We have some other options as well, like the pubsub api. But in the pubsub api you have to write down the custom js for that, but it's like completely out of the box solution, and I would suggest to try this event relay instead of using pubsub api. So let's begin. First of all, I will tell you what is the real time events. So these are the real time events which is given by the Salesforce. Can you see this? Real-time event monitoring data streaming. So these are the objects or the events, you can say that, which is given by the Salesforce, like file event, login as event stream, which basically detect when a Salesforce admin logins to another user. So this event get fire and give the information of the Salesforce admin who has logged in as another user. And let's suppose that if someone has logged out in your environment and you want to see all the information, so this event get fire. So how you can use this real-time events? What you can do, you can go to the setup, search event, and go to event monitoring settings. And here, if you scroll down and click this option, event manager, you will be able to see all of these real-time monitoring events. And these events don't consume the limit of 50,000, governance limit to publish the event. It will not count that limit. It's like out of the box events. So it will not hit any governance limit as such. And if you want to enable this, let's suppose I wanted to see that who has logged down, who has logged out from the Salesforce environment. I wanted to see the details. In that case, you have to go here to this event and enable this streaming. If you want to see the file, you want all the details of the logout user as a CSV file, then you have to enable storage. And yeah, you can go to the event logger file, and then you will be able to see the event. You can also see this event in this list. But if you want to see the like as a real time events, like a platform events, when someone is logged out, or if like you wanted to see the API events, when you wanted to see like track user API queries in your work, um, you wanted to see the file activity, if someone is doing some activity on the file, or you want to track that when the user has logged in your org. So this event, real time, you want to see this event, then in that case, you have to enable the streaming. Okay, now come to the point. What is event relay? I already discussed you. Event relay is basically used to send the real time uh, platform event and the out of the box real time monitoring event to the AWS event bus. Let me give you the quickly demo. So if I go to the setup and if I search event relay, so here I have created two custom channels. So whenever you basically create an event relay, you have to create a channel. So these are the two different channels. So inside the channels, you have to add the events. These members are nothing but the event. So I created one channel. I given the name of this is a channel, and I have added three platform events. And this is, yeah, sorry, I have added this channel and I have added one platform event, and this is another channel where I have added three real-time monitoring events. Okay, I will tell you how you can add that. So first step is you have to go create event relay. You have to create the channel, you have to add the events, and then you have to do some configuration. That part I will tell you later, but let's see this demo first. Okay. Mm. So how to see that, how which members are there? So for that I will go to the this workbench, and I have created one very long document where each and every step is mentioned. So here you can see this one somewhere I mentioned. Let me go quickly. So yeah, here is mentioned, if you wanted to see the members which is there in the channel, you have to copy this, go to the workbench, click get, click this and execute. It will give you all the members. So we have this four members. Can you see these four members? So you can see this is a unique ID, GAU, GAU, and GAU. So this is basically the event channel, which name is this real-time event. And in the same channel, we have added three out-of-the-box event, real-time monitoring API anomaly event, logout event stream, and login event stream. So these three out-of-the-box event we have added into this channel, which is nothing but the first one. And the second one, I have added only one event, which is called monitoring event. Okay, monitoring event. So this event, if you want to see the platform event, if you go to the platform event, I created this custom event. You can see I created this event by myself. And if you will just publish this event, it will just go through that channel, because this event, monitoring platform event, is a part of this channel platform event. So if I will publish that event, it will basically will go by this channel to the AWS. Now, as I have added this logout event stream, right? I have added this logout event stream, and tell if I tell you what this logout event stream do, it basically detect when a user log out from the Salesforce. So if I will log out, okay, it will publish an event. This will publish an event, logout event stream, and as this is a part of this channel, this event will reach out to the AWS. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just click this and hit to this button logout. Okay, so I have been logged out. So that means when I click the logout button, in the background, one event has been fired with the name of this logout event stream. Now login. Now, if I wanted to see that event, what I have to do, so this is my Amazon EventBridge. So this EventBridge is already connected. Okay, I will show you how it is connected. So if you wanted to see that how your Amazon is connected with the Salesforce, you had to go to integration partner event source, and then you have to, yeah, it's searching actually. So there are three event partner I have connected. You can see one and two. Okay. So basically, when you will create an event relay, it will show you all the partner event source. I will tell you that the second part of this tutorial. I'm just giving you the demo as of now. So I have make all of this, this relay or source active here, and I have created one rule as well. So I will tell you step by step how you can do that. Just see this demo first. And here I have created one rule for this. Yeah, I have created yeah, for this one. So this is nothing but this is a real time. I have given the wrong name platform event, but this is actually real time event. And I have created a cloud watch logs for this. I will show you how to configure that step by step. And as soon as I just publish this event, I mean, as soon as I log out, right? Last time I log out, so we must be able to see that log out event here in the AWS. Come on, come on. Yes. So here you can see just now we have seen this event, right? So in this event, you can see this is a log. Oh, this is the login one, because after logout I have login, and this is also the part of the custom event, right? So we'll see the logout one. So yeah, you can see this logout event stream. This is the same one that was a part of the event, right? That was a part of the channel. Was a part of the channel. So this event was fired and went through that event relay through that channel to the AWS, and that's why we are able to see the details. Who is the user who has log out? Gagan Anand. What is the user ID and what time he has log out? This is the event time. Each and everything is there. So basically, this is how you can use event relay. Even you can pass, again, you can push the event from AWS to Salesforce as well. So there's no need to use pops up API, which is very complex. Okay. Now the second thing, now what I will do, click, I will go to the developer console. Okay. And then and then I will click Control E, and then yeah. So this is, I will just put the value 20. Okay, I will just publish one event on this platform event, and I'm giving the value 20, or let's give 98, and we'll see whether this event is going to that AWS EventBridge or not. So let me go to the debug. Yes. So this is nothing but this is like a script. What I did, I just I just create one instance of this platform event, and I have added the value of number of employees 98, and then I just publish this event to the event bus of Salesforce. So as soon as I publish this event, it, as this is a part of this event monitoring, right? This monitoring event is a part of this channel, right? This channel platform event. So it will go to this channel, and event relay will take that platform event and will basically pass this to the AWS event bridge. And I have already added the logs for this event. So I have to just go to, I'll show you how I have basically set up this logs and all. So what I have to do, I have to come on, let me go back. Logs group. So I think real time, yeah, real logs. So yeah, today's 28, right? So you can see this event, we can see that the today's 28, right? Yes. And the value should be 98. Yeah. See. So I publish one event, custom platform event from Salesforce, and as that custom platform event was a part of this channel, and we have given the reference of this channel in this event relay, that's why that platform event has been moved from here to AWS Event Bridge. Okay, so this is how you can use the event relay. Now I will take you to the some information about the event relay and how you can set up in your Salesforce org. I have done with the demo, but now I will just give you the guide one by one, how you can set up the event relay, how you can get the name credentials for that. So what is the event relay? Event relay to basically we can use to send the real-time event to the AWS event bus. Okay, this is basically definition. This is the purpose of using event relay. Um, Send platform event and change data capture event from Salesforce to Amazon and achieve the end-to-end flow of sending the event back to Salesforce. So basically using the event relay, you can send the platform event as well as you can send the change data capture as well. So change data capture is like when some records is status is getting changed and you want to publish some event. So that also can be pushed. And recently they have added like you can also push the real-time monitoring event as well, which is out of the box event of the Salesforce, which is used for the monitoring of a particular environment. And there is few things to be considered when basically you're configuring event relay. When you're deleting an event relay in the Salesforce, that corresponding partner event source will also be deleted. So if let's suppose that there's a partner event source, so this is the partner event source. If I go here, so this is the partner event source, right? It will take some time. So these are the partner event source. If I will delete, it will automatically delete. So last time I deleted one partner source from the Salesforce, so it was deleted in the AWS side as well. So you have to be make sure if you're deleting the Salesforce, because same reference or the event bus will be deleted from the AWS as well. Second consideration is that event relays are not copied to the sandbox. So let's suppose that you have a production environment and there's a sandbox there and you are refreshing that sandbox from the production environment, so event relay never get copied. You have to configure it manually. So so how to now set up event relay in your environment? Now we will understand it one by one. So first thing is that you have to create a name credentials, and it should be of legacy type. So what you have to do, you have to go to name credential in your environment. Is the very first step if you're trying to configure the event relay. And then you have to click this new, and you have to click this new legacy. Make sure that this should be a new legacy. Okay. Okay, let me just copy duplicate this. So what you have to do, the first step, you have to go click legacy, and then you have to provide the name AWS. whatever name you wanted to provide, event buzz. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to provide the URL. So in my document, this is mentioned that your URL should be like this: ARN, AWS region, and AWS account number. So here you have to provide the AWS region, and here you have to provide the AWS account number. Okay, so the same thing I have already created and I have provided that. So how you can know the region? So here you can see this is my AWS, right? And this is my region. So this region I have to provide, and the same region I have provided here. This is my region, and here you have to provide the AWS number that you can get it easily. Um, there are multiple way to get that. You can go to the setup. Um, So here this is my account ID. You can use this account ID, and there's other way to get your AWS account number. So you have to create a URL. So URL should be like ARN, uh, AWS region and account number in the same format I have provided here. And then you have to keep this identity type anonymous, no authentication, and generate authentication header should be checked. This is very simple. You don't have to provide any password, customer name or password. You have to create this name credential like this, and this is a legacy type. After that, you have to go to event relay. Okay, and after that, uh, okay, before you are creating the event relay, what you have to do, you have to create a channel, because you can see this is a channel. I have created two channel. This is a channel name, so you have to create two channels. So how you can create the channels? So there are two ways: either you can use a postman or either you can use a workbench here. Okay, you have to create the custom channel. So let me go to this URL. So there is a Salesforce URL already there. So yeah, it's taking time to load. So what you have to do, if you're using Postman and Postman is connected to your environment, it's very simple. You can go to that document and you can simply create it. Um, Custom channel, send the post request. You're using yes. So you have to use this. Yeah, so it was not loaded 100%. That's why I was thinking about it. So what you have to do, you have to go to the basically workbench, and then you can use it. If you're using the Postman, you can directly go to the Postman, expand event platform, custom event, and there you can create the channel. But if you have the Postman access, what you can do, you can just click this, go to the post action, copy and paste that URL, and then copy this method, this JSON, put this JSON in the request body, and give whatever the name of the you know uh, channel you want to give. I want to give the channel, like suppose that YouTube test channel. This is like so that we can understand test channel, and I can also give the label. Okay, and channel type is event. Fine, let me execute. It's giving me the error, create no support standard channel. So let me give underscore channel, execute. What is saying? um Maybe I have to give some space, label. Let's see. It's giving me the create is not supported on standard channel. What is a standard channel? um okay, let me create this. Okay, CHL, it's a channel, right? Let me execute now. Okay, now it's created, I think. So whenever you're giving the full name, it should be under underscore CHN. Just make sure that one channel has been created. Now, if you wanted to see if the channel is successfully created or not, so there's a query to check the channel as well. Um, So the queries, I will share this document, or if you want this document, just let me know if I forgot to add that. So if you want to see the channel, how many channels are there, you can just copy this, go to the post, go to the get, and this, and post this, and then you will see. So you have three channel in this org. One is monitoring, which was already there, logs monitoring, and YouTube test. So this channel has been already created. The second step is that once you have created the channel, you have created the name credentials, you have created the custom channel, then you have to um, basically add the events to that channel as well. So for that, uh, for that, this should be a link to the add the custom platform event in your custom channel. So I think that's the same link where you can see that how you can add that. So yeah, here you can see that how you can add the platform event. So if you want to add the platform event, again, you have to use this URL now. Go to the Postman. So as of now, we just created the custom channel. Inside that channel, we are adding the platform event. So I'm just copying this. Okay, let me copy this name first and paste here, and then go here, copy this, paste this, and then you have to provide the channel name. So that's why I keep this copied, putting this channel name here, and here you have to provide the platform event. So to find out the my platform event name, what I have to do, I have to search platform event, and this is my platform name, and I have event, and I have to copy the API name of this platform event. So this is the API name, copy this, and then paste it here, and then you have to give the name here. I'm just going to give the name that monitoring event. Let's see. Okay, execute. It's giving us error, which an API name cannot be contains underscore. Okay. Okay, now it's created. So we have added this platform event inside this channel. Now if you wanted to see that if this channel have this member or not, or platform event, again there is an query you can make. Which way is this query? This query you can make. This is a tooling API query, so you cannot make this query using the Salesforce Spectre or the developer console SOQL query. So you have to use this Postman, or you can use the Postman as well. I'm using Workbench, and I have to put this execute. It's giving some error, so there must be something wrong at the end. Member, I forgot to add the member. R is missing. Execute. I can see 5 monitoring event is there. So yeah, so this is nothing but the one that we have added. This is a different channel name. This is the same channel ID, and this is the monitoring event that we have added. So now what is the next step? You have created the name credential. I showed you how to create the name credential. I showed you how to create the custom channel. I showed you how to add the platform event. Now what you have to do, you have to go to event relay. I think that step is missing here. Um, so I have to add that step. Um, 3 second I can add. Um, create the event relay. Okay, you have to create the event relay. This step is missing. So how to then after that, what you have to do, you have to go to your setup, search event relay, and then you have to click new, and then you have to give the name. Let's suppose I'm giving YouTube test. Next, now here the name credential I have to choose. So that's the same name credentials that I have created and showed you. And then I have to click next. Then now I have to choose the channel. So I have created one YouTube test one, if you remember. So you have to choose the channel, and then yeah, this is as it is. Next, save. Um, 1 second, I have to add one more thing. Create the event relay and make it make sure that event relay is running, not stopped. So what does it mean it's running? So when you click create the event relay, by default it basically status will be stopped. So you can see this is status is stopped. So what you have to make sure that it's keep running. So for that you have to click here, click edit, and click this run. Okay, and then click save. So it will take some time, and it will give you, yeah, see, you can see the partner event source. As soon as you will make the status from stop to running, it will create a AWS partner event source. You don't have to worry. It will create it automatically, because I think there's some tie-up between AWS and Salesforce. So it automatically created one partner event source for the AWS. If you just refresh, I think the status must should be changed to the running. It's still starting. It will take some time, and it will move from started to running. Anyway, we will go to the Amazon EventBridge. So the next step is you have to uh, you have to basically go to partner event source and make it activate. So what you have to do, you have to go to the AWS, go to the Amazon event bridge, and then you have to go to this partner event source. We have to activate the partner event source. So we have recently created one event relay channel. So that channel will create a partner event source. So that partner event source is nothing but this one. Copy this ID, go to the AWS, go to the partner event source under the integration. So what you have to go to AWS EventBridge, and then you have to go to integration and partner event source, and then it will take some time to load it. It's loading all the partner event source. So can you see this source is available here? Because when we have created this event, let me refresh. So as soon as we have created this event relay here, and we basically change the status to running, it automatically has created one partner event source. Now it is basically created, but we have to activate this now from the AWS, this partner event source. So we are here in the partner event source, and I have to make this activate. As of now, this is pending. So how to make this activate? Click this check and click this associate with events bus, and then I can just go all AWS account, organization, my organization, and I can click associate. So now you can see this event source has been activated. This is another step. Now, now you can basically push any, if you're pushing any event which is part of this channel, this channel, it will move to the AWS. This is a logic. But how I can monitor that if I'm pushing any platform event which is a part of this channel? So for that, what I'm doing, I'm going to that rule. I will create one rule. That rule is to basically push the logs of this event source to the CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is to basically check the logs of the Amazon Event Bridge. You can basically check so many logs, but basically you can set some configuration so that if any of the event is going to a particular event source, you will be able to see that. Okay, you can basically target a particular event source. All the logs will be able to come through that particular, the path of the file. So I will show you what I mean by the path of the file. So by default, so like the path. So basically, this is the event source. I want to create the event logs for this GAM. So I have to click this GAM and then create rules, and then you can give any name. I'm just giving that YouTube test, and then Okay, and then I click next, and then I have to choose AWS event or EventBridge partner event as it is. And then I have to choose this EventBridge partner, and the partner I have to choose Salesforce. And here I have to choose all events, and then I have to click next. And then this should be same as it is, AWS services. And then you have to choose here CloudWatch log group, and then you can give the file path. This is a path where it will be stored all the logs for this event source. Okay, because this event source is belongs to this channel, and this channel is belongs to this event relay. So basically we have created a e-relay, relays targeting to the channel. Inside the channel we have added some sort of platform event, and that relay will create an event source in the AWS, and that event source will only have the events which is a part of that event relay. So I'm going to see all the logs which is coming from this event relay, which is AWS YouTube test. So for that, I'm just giving a path like YouTube, and that's it. And I can give logs. Click next, click next, create rules. So it will now create a logs. And if I wanted to see the logs, you have to go to YouTube test, go to target, create logs. So as of now, this should be empty. Yeah. So as of now, this is empty, right? In order to see that whether it's working or not, what I have to do, because this channel has a member called monitoring, right? This is monitor event. So I have to push this monitor event. So for that, I have to go to my developer console. So let me open developer console is already opened. Control E. So this is the same event, monitoring event. Now I'm giving the value, let's suppose at 1994, which is my birth year, and click execute. So this event has been published successfully. If I go and see in the logs, yeah, platform publish event. The event has been successfully published. So now this event was a part of this channel, and this channel is the part of this relay, and this relay has created one play partner event source. This partner event source, let me copy this. This partner source is we activated, right? And we have created one CloudWatch. So let me show you how I can navigate to the CloudWatch again. For that, what you have to do, you have to go to rules. We set up the rule. So for this relay, we have, this is the same, this is a same event source. For this event source, we have added one rule just now with the name of YouTube test. And to see the logs, you have to go to targets, click logs, and then here inside the logs, you can see all the events is coming from that event relay. Come on, I can see this. See, I published one, right, and I provided 1994. See, the number of employees 1994. So this is how this event relay is working. It's very easy to configure, but it took me 2 days to understand this because there's no YouTube video available on this topic. I would suggest you to please subscribe my channel to support this kind of video. And if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me through LinkedIn. Yeah, and I will give you this document. I will try to upload this somewhere, and then you can see it. All the useful links are available. You can see, um, yeah, yes, all the links are available. You can see create a custom channel. All the links are available. All the queries are available. And I think it will be easy for you guys to configure event relay after this. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.